Skibbity skibbity, it's your boy Griffin GFX back with another banger. This video is sponsored by Kittl and this is an absolutely massive update. So the title of the video probably going to be something along the lines of an alternative to Adobe Illustrator regarding this new vector update, right? So if you don't know what an SVG file is, it stands for a scalable vector graphics. What this means is you can infinitely upscale your logo and it will never lose its quality. It's almost as if the file has memory in it. This is super important as a graphic designer and it kind of makes this comparable now to Adobe Illustrator, right? It's a very affordable version of Adobe Illustrator. Maybe for people that aren't ready to make that huge investment or just want an app inside of Google Chrome, inside of their web browser that allows them to do things at a faster pace, but still at a high level. So what I'm doing now, I'm looking for a font which you can find in the top right, and on the left, I'm looking for some elements so that I can start constructing a Y2K logo. Once I've built my design, my basic font, I'm going to show you how to use this new tool, the SVG pen tool, to tweak the logo and to make it absolutely perfect. And this is what will set a good design aside from the crowd and the rest of designers that sort of make generic, easy to make logos. So what I'm doing here, first I'm going to group all of these assets and then I'm going to right click and go to quick export it as a PNG, which is now going to put all of these into one file, and I'm going to drag that back from my folder into Kittl. So now we have one image. Now in the bottom right over here you can see you have the option to vectorize this. This is going to intelligently map all of the edges and make it a vector image for you. I'm now going to add a stroke because we've got white on white, and I'm going to double click on the image, which is going to allow me to see all of the points of the logo, which I can then adjust. If you want to add a new point, you can double click. And if you click on one of the pre-existing points, you're going to pull their little handles out. So that allows you to drag and slide them and create different angles and different spacing. Now this is a super hugely important update. Probably the coolest update I've seen in Kittl so far. And like I say, it makes it a very affordable alternative to Adobe Illustrator. As a designer, being able to offer SVG graphics is going to make your customers very happy and a lot more confident to go forward with you. It means if months later they need something changed, you can do that, or they could do that themselves. It means that if all of a sudden they need to print their logo somewhere at a bigger scale than they'd first anticipated, that's not an issue. It will be able to do that. It can scale up as big as they would like it to. And as a designer, this is really important just because it helps your logos to stand out, right? It's not hard to type out a text and to throw a few symbols onto a canvas and to call it a logo, but to be able to do that and then change little parts of the logo and add unique details to give it, an extra level of style, I think that is absolutely huge. So I'm really happy to see that now on Kittl, and there's some more updates coming on Kittl soon. So I'll definitely keep you guys, locked in and posted on that. And in the meantime, I have some photo manipulation stuff to drop, so I'm planning on getting on with that soon. Some cool stuff is on its way. If you guys are interested in this or want to check out the pen tool, I'd recommend doing that. It's in the description. You can get my affiliate link that helps me, it helps Kittl, and hopefully you guys will have a good time. This app's just getting better and better, and I'm really happy to have been working with them up till now. Honestly, I wouldn't be promoting them if it wasn't something that I genuinely endorsed and used for some of my clients. Often, especially in the idea generation stage, I absolutely love Kittl. It makes brainstorming ideas and just sparking things off quickly really easy. And now this is just another game-changing update that I'm super stoked for. It's super easy to use and it's reminiscent of the Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator pen tool. If you have any experience with that, you'll be fine, and if you don't, you'll still probably figure it out pretty quickly. That is all from me. I'll leave you guys with some speed arts so you can watch the creation of some logos and how I would implement this in some of my own design work. Six Frogs, the logo I'm creating, is for my music channel. If you guys don't know about my music, that's going to be down in the description as well. I'm making some bangers at the moment. Painkiller, banger of a song. Void, banger of a song. And some new songs are dropping soon. So yeah, go subscribe to me over there if you don't know that I like making music, because I'm very passionate about that. Alright, hope you're all keeping safe, staying sound, and staying hydrated. Bye bye.